Hi folks. Well, this house is sure to impress. A brilliant Kelvin Grove family home, over 230 squares of floor area, this amazing outdoor living, sun all day long with north-facing aspects, 2.7 stud height, 4 beds, 2 baths, inter-access garaging, massive kitchen, dining, great for family entertaining. Well, that's enough from me. Come on and check it out. Wow, that's a home sure to impress. Situated in the Regency Heights in Kelvin Grove, welcome to 5 Manhattan Court. This home is going to be very popular. I'm Blair Alabaster from Property Brokers. Give me a call to arrange a private viewing, otherwise I'll see you at the open home.